Welcome guys, today we are learning how to install Metasploitable 2 on VirtualBox. First head to Chrome browser and search for Metasploitable to download. Click on the first link, then click download. The Metasploitable will start downloading. We can see that the Metasploitable file that is downloading is 825 megabytes. This download process would take a while, but I'm going to skip it till the download is done. There we go. We should now head to the Downloads folder where the Metasploitable zip file has downloaded. Extract the file as you can see. Then wait for the process to finish. You can see there's a Metasploitable virtual dist image. Open the VirtualBox application. Click New. You can name it Metasploitable 2. Change the type option to Linux. Also change the version to the one I've selected, then click Next. You can leave the default settings or give the base memory at least 500 megabytes. Select Use an existing virtual hard disk file, then locate your Metasploitable disk file in your Downloads folder and select it. Click Next, then Finish and you are done. You have already set up a Metasploitable environment on your VirtualBox. You can check out the settings if you need to change anything. On the Network tab, change NT to bridged adapter. Click Start and wait for Metasploitable to initialize. As we wait, let me give you some background information on Metasploitable. Metasploitable 2 is a deliberately vulnerable virtual machine created by Rapid7 to help security professionals and enthusiasts practice penetration testing and security assessments. It is designed to be used as a target for testing the Metasploit framework, but it can also be used with other security tools. To log into Metasploitable, both the username and password are misfadmin. Type ifconfig command to see the machine's IP address. We can see that the IP address is 192.168.100.153. To confirm if the Metasploitable machine is set up incorrectly, I am opening Kali Linux to see if the machine's IP address really is functioning and vulnerable. Using the Nmap tool, we can scan the IP address to see if there are open ports on the machine. Voil, the machine is up and running and has many ports open, meaning it is indeed vulnerable. We are done for today. Let's meet in the next video.